What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly easy method to make money daily online. By the end of this video, you'll discover an incredibly easy method to make daily affiliate commissions just using your laptop or smartphone. Now, I'm going to share every single step in this simple strategy to find a high converting product to promote and a little known secret method to get targeted traffic to that product. Now, you'll have a full formula by the end of the video that you can repeat to crank out autopilot affiliate commissions on a daily basis. Now, if you're excited to learn this, be sure to thumbs up this video and also comment below, what's your #1 struggle with affiliate marketing? I'm posting weekly videos and I want to answer your questions. But without further ado, let's dive into this step-by-step method right now. Okay, now the very first step is we need to find a high converting product so we can promote, and when people buy that product, just finding it using the incredibly easy and little known secret traffic strategy I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal to you, we're going to start to be able to make money very, very easily. Okay, so ClickBank is on the screen right now. It's one of the places that you can find high converting affiliate products. If you don't have an account, just go to clickbank.com, go to the top right, sign up, and then sign up in a few minutes. It's free. And once you're inside ClickBank, you want to go to the top and click Marketplace. Okay, this is going to drop down tons of different products that we can find to promote. Now, with this specific method, you want to actually choose the e-business and e-marketing, okay, because this is going to work perfect for making money online type products. Now, what we want to do next is we want to sort results by gravity. Okay, you go up here, hit gravity, because what this does is it ranks the products by the ones that are selling the best. And if we promote products that are already selling well, then chances are we're going to be able to make a lot of sales with them as well. So there's different products here, okay? Now, the 12-minute affiliate system is what I'm going to be using in the example in this video. It's converting incredibly well right now. And to get your affiliate link, all you have to do is go to promote and then hit generate hop links. And then this right here is your affiliate link. Now, we want to save this because we're going to use this in the ad that I share with you exactly how to create in a little bit in this video. But once we have our affiliate link, the next thing we want to do is we want to actually go to, okay, affiliates, right? This is the JV page, the joint venture page. Now, once we open up this page, every single product on ClickBank is going to have this type of page. This is going to give you, done for you ads that you can post, different email swipes, and the email swipes is what we're interested in right now. So if you actually scroll down, okay, you can go to get your affiliate link and promo tools, okay? Now, what we want to do is there's different types of funnels that you can actually promote with this product, but we want to go to grab swipes here. Okay, because when you go to the JV page, okay, which is what this page is called, and you actually go to the email swipes, which a lot of these good products actually have, we can use that in the ad, okay, the advertisement that we're about to post to get laser targeted, quick and easy traffic, and we can start getting targeted traffic to our affiliate link and start to make some really good income. Okay, so go to grab swipes here. Now, once we do that, okay, it takes you to these different swipes. There's Facebook. Okay, there's different ones. We want to go to the email swipe. So open this up and it opens up a Google document. Okay, now these different email swipes, we can actually either send out an email if you already have an email list, or we can actually use these as our ads, okay, which I'm going to share in a second. So now what I want to do is once you find a high converting product, you use the email swipe as the actual advertisement. What secret traffic method am I actually using in this video? Okay, well, right now I'm going to reveal it to you. It is Craigslist. Okay, Craigslist. Now, you probably have heard of Craigslist before. Maybe you've even used it. A lot of people just go on Craigslist and they buy items for their house or they list items for sale. Well, we're going to actually place an ad on Craigslist, and don't worry, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know, where to post the ad, how to write the ad, okay, all of that in this video. But we're going to actually post an ad to attract people that are interested in potentially buying our products. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, the very first thing we want to do, and I actually have a document where I wrote down the steps. What we want to do is create an account on Craigslist if you don't already have one. And now what we want to do is right here, okay? Step number 1 is we want to post in a big city, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to post a job, okay? But we're going to post a job in a specific category that's going to attract people that are interested in making money online. And when these people check out our sales page, okay, the affiliate sales page of the product we're promoting, a good portion of them are going to buy, and that's how we're going to be able to make money consistently, okay? So how do we do this? Well, like I said in this document, we want to post in a big city, in the job offered section, in the sales and business section, okay? So let me break this down. So the very first thing is you can actually change where you want to actually post the ad. Now we want to post in a big city because the bigger the city, when we post that ad, the more people that can potentially see the ad, giving us more traffic, more exposure on our sales page, and potentially more affiliate commissions. So how do we find big cities? Well, you can literally just go to Google, type in, big cities in the United States or, different places. But for this example, I'll use the United States. Okay, so you can just go here, type that in, search it, and then just look at the different cities, okay, that it actually shares with you. So right here, United States cities by area. So Jacksonville, okay, Houston, Texas, Oklahoma City. These are all potential cities and places that you can place ads in, okay? So just pick one, it doesn't really matter. I'll use Houston, Texas for this example, okay? You can see it right here. Now what we wanna do, if I go back here, we wanna post in a big city in the job offered. So these are jobs, okay? There's community, housing, for sale. We wanna go to the jobs offered section, okay? And in this video, I'm literally gonna place an ad, okay? So I'm gonna place a real ad so you'll be able to see this. But basically, we go to the jobs offered section. Now, the next step is we want to go to the sales and business section. Now, why sales and business? Well, there's a lot of different types of jobs we can actually post on here. So if I go to post on the top right, this is where you can actually do it, okay? So we want to go to job offered, and now there's different levels, okay? Now it says price right here. Now to place an ad in the job offered section, it's going to cost usually about $35 to $45. Now, before you freak out, keep in mind that just one affiliate commission can totally cover the cost of this ad, okay? Almost every single real legit method online is going to take investing some form of money. $35, it's a little more than $1 a day, okay? So just skip a few Starbucks, coffees every single week, and you'll easily be able to have this money if you're struggling right now to place an ad, okay? Because this is incredibly effective. I use this as one of my traffic sources. A lot of people do. It's very effective, okay? So what we want to do is we want to go down and look at the sales, okay? Because again, right here, sales business, okay? So we want to go to, again, sales, which is right here, okay? And we want to place, again, this ad in the sales section, because what's going to happen is people that are interested in doing sales jobs, maybe they've done a sales job in the past, they're more entrepreneur minded, they're more, hungry when it comes to making money. And so if we share with them a make money online offer, then chances are that's going to be a good match and you're going to be able to make sales, okay? So once we do that, we want to continue, okay? Now this posting title, this is the actual title of our ad. So when we actually post, okay, we pay the money to post this ad, what's gonna happen is when people scroll through Craigslist looking for jobs, that posting title is the first thing they're gonna see. So we want a compelling headline. Now, if we go back to this, okay, right here, these email swipes, these are the title of the ad, okay? So you can literally copy this, okay? Go back to Craigslist and just post that in. New system generates sales while you sleep, okay? That is a headline that you can use for your ad. Now, postal code, okay? This is gonna be required, and you wanna put the postal code of the city that you're actually going to. So how do we find the postal code? Where you can literally type in, Houston postal codes, okay? So Houston postal codes right here, okay? And then you just have all these. You just choose one, 77001, okay? I put that in here. Now the description, this is where we want to place our actual ad copy, okay? Now again, how do we find this? Well, we just go here, and I mean, you can literally just copy this ad, okay, this email, and paste it into Craigslist. Okay, this is absolutely incredible. And then this right here, this is where you want to place your actual affiliate link. Okay, so remember earlier we went to ClickBank, okay, right here. Well, we want to actually take that affiliate link that we got. Okay, remember I told you to save it, and we want to replace it with this link here. Okay. Now for employment type, I actually have, again, right here, we want to fill out the ad. Employment type is employee's choice. Okay, so we want to go back to here, employee's choice. Okay, compensation, what I like to put in there is work from home. Okay, that's the compensation they're going to get. Okay, so work from home here. Your email address, okay, you want to put your email address in there, but I usually do no replies to this email because you don't really need replies. You just want people to click the link in your ad, check out the affiliate sales page, and you can start to make sales. Okay, so again, you want to put your email in there, okay, and then we just want to hit continue. Now once we do that, we just hit continue one more time, and then now we want to add an image, okay, for this ad. Now how do we find an image? I recommend going back here to Google, going to images, okay, and now just searching work from home or make money online. So work from home right here, okay, and you can literally just take one of these images, okay. So for example, this image, I can download this image and then upload it to Craigslist. This is a good image because it looks like, you know, someone's working from home. It's giving the person an idea of what it's going to actually look like when they start succeeding with this ad. Okay, so I just uploaded the image there, done with images. And now you can preview your ad, okay, right here. So new system generates sales while you sleep. There's an image right there. I don't get excited very often, you know, yada, yada. That's the affiliate link. Okay, you want to replace that with yours. Again, it's $35. Okay, in Houston, sometimes in like New York or California, it's going to be $45. Again, it's a drop in the hat when you start to make these affiliate commissions. And then we just hit continue. Okay, now you'll get taken to this page right here. Now this is where you can just fill out your first name, last name, your credit card information, okay? And then you just pay the money by clicking that button. Okay, there we have it right there. So it says, thanks for posting, we really appreciate it. You get a purchase receipt, and now that ad will be live very, very shortly today. And now you'll start getting clicks to that link. People will start viewing that affiliate sales page. And if it's a high converting product, like I shared with you how to find in the beginning of this video, chances are you'll start to get affiliate commissions. And then you can just go back in here and do this on a daily basis. Now I have a guideline right here. Okay, some of the best time to actually post is going to be right here. Okay, so every Monday to Thursday morning between about 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Okay, in the morning. This is a great time. A lot of people are active on there looking for jobs. And again, through a lot of testing, this has been proven to be one of the best times to actually post these ads. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed learning this incredibly easy method to start to generate affiliate commissions. If you did, be sure to click the like button. This tells me you want me to make more videos just like this. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, I post weekly videos. And last but not least, if you want access to a free video revealing my #1 recommended affiliate system to get instant paying affiliate commissions and generate them even on autopilot, be sure to go down to the first link under this video, put your best email into my website so I know exactly where to send you that video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.